Okay, here we are going into September 4th. My Topstep dashboard, my 50K NQ combine sitting at $50,487 right now. I had 2 trading days in here, but the holiday just carried over to the next day, so it's just showing one. All good. $50,487 in there. In my live account, 4,770. Nothing new there. Hopefully we get some trades in today on that one. I don't feel so good today, so I'm looking to take 1 or 2 trades, and that's it in the morning. See money, take money, and just bounce out and call it a day is what I'm thinking. I probably shouldn't trade at all, but I need to make content, so I'll hit it and then just get out real fast. All right, so Josie ABC had asked me if I found it harder to pass the 50K over the 150K eval. So the 150K eval, I used that one to become a live trader. I passed my combine with it, and then I went through the XFA and then became a live trader with Topstep using the 150K account. But what I learned in there is during that whole process is that I didn't need to have that 150K account. The only reason why I had gotten it originally was because I thought I'd be stuck with those rules in the live account. If I had gone with the 50K, I thought I'd be limited to that in the live account. And I can only, with my strategy, it's a 1-to-1 risk reward or reward to risk. So if I risk 1,000, I can make 1,000. And with the 50K account, having a $1,000 max daily loss limit, then the most I could ever risk on a single trade would be $1,000, and I'd be in my DLL. So I would never be able to do better than that. So I went with the 150K, so I would have that $3,000 max daily loss. So eventually, when my account was big enough, I could scale up and trade with $3,000 risk reward per trade and make more money on a daily basis. That was my original thought. I did not know that as long as you proved yourself to Topstep, you can change your terms. You could change your contract size. You could change your daily loss limit. You could change all that stuff. You just have to have an account that justifies it. So that's why I've gone back through with a 50K valuation account this time. I did pass a 50K already and got funded on it. So now you're looking at my 50K for NQ. That I'm trying to do. So with the 2 accounts, it really depends on your trading style. I'm doing a much longer form video with a lot of details on my thought process and why I'm choosing one over the other, because it really does depend on the person, on what account you go with. And I wanted to show you my thought process and the details and why I chose everything. I'm just not feeling so great right now. So once I get a little bit better, I will finish that video and then I'll publish that so you can see all the details behind choosing what account size is right for you. You can see what I picked for me, and then maybe that helps you spark thought to decide what's right for you all. But based on the 2, with my trading style and my system and everything, I find that the 50K is easier to pass and better in a lot of ways, which we'll go into more detail on that. But the challenging part to it is in the NQ. If you're trading the NQ, the market, if it's a really volatile, high volume market, the swings can be so big that you have to give it enough room to breathe. And when you give it that much room, that could be more than $1,000 swing. So in the 50K account, you won't be able to hold those trades. They'll stop you out. So you have to be able to make sure you can hold your trades and give it enough room to breathe with the ticker you're trading and the strategy and all that stuff that you're doing. So the 50K for some people might be impossible to pass because you just don't have enough room to breathe. Especially if you're trading like on a higher time frame, a 30-minute or 1-hour candle, you probably won't have enough room if you're going to trade the NQ. But if you're trading stuff like the Dow Jones and the YM, you might have plenty of room to let it breathe and have no issues whatsoever. So that's one thing to consider. But right now, I do think the 50K is a lot easier in a lot of ways, and I'll go into more details on that when I do make that video once I get a little bit better on the healthy side. All right, everybody. Well, hopefully today will be a great day, and we'll see you on the next trade. Okay, good morning. It's September 4th morning session. A little frustrated today. I couldn't get into my live account with Rhythmic for whatever reason. I can't get in, and it was a really easy trade this morning that I wasn't able to take advantage of. So I missed out on about $500 there. And by the time I can get logged in over here on my combine, I already missed this trade. I was supposed to enter right here on this candle. And you can see this move that I'm missing out on right now. So unfortunately, rhythmic issues have cost me quite a bit of money this morning, and we'll have to wait and see if another trade sets up. And I'm not sure if it will, but we'll wait and see. You might be jumping into trade here if this starts to break down more. You can see it's up in this resistance area, breaking down right now. This wants to close down here in about 30 seconds. I'm going to jump in. Buy stop market.
Order submitted.
Sell stop market.
Order submitted.
Okay, I'm supposed to be in this trade
Order
already.
filled.
All right, so I'm in this trade short now. In the trade short. Looking for a run back down towards the bottom here. Okay, basically just about hit that target. Yeah. See if it wants to push down there again. Try to capture it. Man, I'm a little slow today. Not feeling well again today, traders. Probably shouldn't be trading, but I'm here.
Order submitted.
Okay, looks like I missed out on my trade, and I'll have to take the reverse of it. Yeah, I missed a trade. Missed the exit. Now I have to take the reverse. 14.
Order filled.
Okay, so now I'm going to be in long here in just a second. Maybe not.
Order filled.
Okay, now I'm back in the trade long. To the long side right now. Yeah, I missed my exit the first time, so this could be a bang up day. I probably shouldn't even be trading today. Alright, we'll see what happens here.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, so out of that trade with $556 in profit. Do not have that order.
Order canceled.
Hit close, make sure
Order
I'm out.
filled.
Okay, all out. What just happened? Why did I do that? Oh, I'm such an idiot. I didn't get that order out fast enough. What happened? I was just up $500. What just happened? Man, I don't know what just happened, but I was up 500 and now I'm not. So it's kind of sad. Alright, there's another trade right here I could jump into.
Order filled.
Okay, stop. Sell stop market.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, so out of that trade, now I'm up 262 on the day. Man, I don't know what happened. I was just up 500 on the day. Alright, traders, I'm not feeling well. I'm going to shut it down. I'll take my $262, call it a day, and come back tomorrow and see if I can get some trades in tomorrow. Yeah, better if I just don't trade today.
Order submitted.
Okay, I'm going to take a quick scalp trade here, short side. Buy stop
Order
market.
submitted.
Get
Order
ready to trail
filled.
it. Okay, so in short right now, break of this support area. See if we can capture
Order
it. Okay,
filled.
there we go. So took a quick scalp there. Couldn't resist myself with the jobs report coming out. So looking for that breakdown right through there. Went all the way to the bottom, but now it's already retracing. Was hoping it would keep on going, but it didn't. So now I'm at $388 on the day, and that's going to do it for the day. I'm definitely turning it off. I'm going to cut this video and get it onto YouTube and be done. But I actually wanted to jump in right here on the break of this, but I was too slow. By the time I saw the jobs report was coming out, and wasn't able to. Had I been able to do that, I probably would have made $1,000 right there in that quick slide. But man, sometimes, you know, when the news comes out, you could trade the news. It's pretty nice. I know some prop firms don't let you trade the news. I think that's BS. It's part of trading. I wouldn't use one of those prop firms if they said you can't trade the news. That's just, it's insane to me. It's not good to be in a trade before the news because you just don't really know how the market's going to react. Whether the news is good or bad, it still could go the opposite. You know, it could have bad news and the market goes up. It doesn't really matter what the news is. What matters is how the market reacts. And to be able to trade the news is a way to make a ton of money. Those are the days you can make epic amounts of money trading the news. And I guess maybe that's why some prop firms don't let you do it, because they don't want to have to pay out a $50,000 day. But Topstep doesn't care, because they basically let you trade and be a trader and do trading. So I try to take advantage of that news, and I just missed it. But at least I was able to scalp a little bit off of it. And now I'm out for the day. Get this video cut, and I'll see you tomorrow.